is Wingfold Park. Ang isa. Okay. We have express massage. French massage. What's the price? I've been here before. Swedish massage. Hi guys, good morning. Manicure and pedicure. Yeah. Okay. This is the pool area. Woohoo! It's nice here. Mainit. Kids enjoying the pool area. It's nice.
Talaga sila din. Sabi ko, kami silang dalawa pag wala ako.
It's on pool area. So kung may swimming, but I can't. Kasi baka ano pa ang surgery ko, hindi pa po pwede. I want to have sun in my back. And ang building. Mga buildings. Maybe that's sa Makati area. Yung may mga matataas na building. So, ang Makati. That's sa Manila Bay. You can see. Yan na po, may mga dagat na dyan. That's sa Manila Bay. Ganda, di ba? Manila Bay is there. Wow, Manila Bay! Okay, balik tayo sa pool area. Siguro maupo muna ako dito para magpainit. Enjoy! Josephine is there! Hello there! Nice there! We'll stay here. Pool area. Okay guys, that's up there is our room. I don't know where, but in the corner area. That's a junior school. Okay guys, always remember, life is beautiful.